So Gatskins, this is where we had stopped previously. So what I did is, because we were having a lot of confusions, and basically there were a lot of changes which I was doing. My system was crashing, and my APIs started leaking, and then I had to go through a lot of changes. So I thought, okay, let me do a thing. Let me create a main folder, and I created the main Git repository, and then changed I created one more repository called prototype 2. Prototype 1 is also there, but never mind. So you know what, let me just give you a small demo of this project, of how much I have accomplished as of now. Yes, it's successfully working, right? So these are project, and we ran into a issue. Okay, so the stuff opened. Let's see. I'm opening one of my resumes. Let's see whether it analyzes properly. And we fall into one more issue. So what I do, I paste the same error, and I try to ask the agent, like, what's wrong. One good thing about the current project, what I did is, I actually incorporated this error message. Is I asked my agent to set up a error screen whenever there is an error, so that you'll get to know, like, why the resume analysis is failing in the first place. That's one good thing which it worked out. And now let's see what all is going on. It is trying to analyze the thought thinking process is going on. I'll get back to you later. Seems like it has started working on few things. Okay, and it has asked for some sort of changes. Let's see. Okay, I'll just read through it briefly. Let's try to retry it once. It said that it is fixed, but to be frank, it didn't. So I just said, like, resume analysis is still failing, so please check out what's wrong. It is asking for a few changes. Let's accept it. Some more changes. Okay, it says that it has updated the index.js. Let's do a thing. Let's try to rerun the complete app once again. Let's just close it. And let's try running this. Okay, the backend is running, but yeah, here is the front end. Okay, fine. Let's try. It'll take some time. Okay, so this is brief. You'll get a brief idea of what our Evolve project is as of now. So see, as soon as I uploaded my resume, it went through all the stuff, and now it is showing the top skills which I have in my resume, and the secondary skills whatever I have, right? And here is some path which I might need to follow in the future. So if I click on HTML, right, just for example, it is saying initiate pretest. If I click on pretest, what happens? So this is the interface that opens. So basically you get a pretest. Core concept of HTML, I think it's all of these. That's the correct answer. HTML is primarily used for, obviously, software development. So that's correct. And we have the next rank. So I've divided my complete pretest into three ranks: B, A, and S. Oh shoot, the system is broken. Okay, we see that there is a lot of bugs with this app as of now. What happens is it is giving the same questions again and again, right? That is one of the errors. Let's see, does it change for the next level, or is it the same? It's taking too long. Okay. So basically we have the error here. Yeah, this part is working. So basically what happens is it takes a skill and it ranks from 1 to 6, and after it ranks based on your pre-test score, again it's going to rank again saying that you're in such and such level, and then we are going to continue. So as of now we have reached till here, but as you can see the system is broken as of now. You had the loading screen issue, and later also we had an issue where every question started repeating for each rank, and I had specifically said that I need of how many ranks. I need 3 ranks, and I specifically need 4 questions in each, which is not being followed as of now. So need to make some changes there as well. How could we try to redo it once? So I do the authentication. Okay, so we are back. Let's go to home and try to upload our file once again, and let's see whether anything has changed as of now, or is it giving the same error as before. This will take some time for fail to analyze resume. Let's try it again. Okay, so the system is broken as of now, so we need to fix a lot of stuff. So I might need to retreat back to prototype 1 where it was perfectly working. That's the thing, right? When you're wipe coding, there's a lot of things you need to take care of, and many a times you face such issues. The system starts breaking down, and there is a lot of issues. You need to fix those things. Ultimately, that's a part of wipe coding, and yeah, once I fix all this, we'll continue with our next result. But as of now, let's take a leave for now, and I'll get back to you once I fix all these issues.